Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just want to do a quick video showing you guys how you can refill these Thermacell little cartridges for a lot cheaper. Right now, this individual cartridge of refill sells for $21 on Amazon just for one of them. Sometimes you can get it, a 2-pack if they're on sale for around that price. But right now, you can get a 2-pack of this electric mosquito liquid. It comes in this little box here. I'm looking at Amazon right now. It's $14.99 for a 2-pack. Comes with 2 boxes in there. I already took the one out. This is what you get from them. This stuff, it can also fit into like a little plug-in thing that you plug into the wall outside somewhere to get mosquitoes. But you can basically use a syringe with either an angiocath or a little needle on it to suck up some of this fluid and then put it into this one. I highly recommend you wear gloves when you do this because I've already done this once and it burns a little bit if you get some on your hands. So yeah, I didn't notice it right away, but after a little while it was kind of irritating. And then you take the wick out of this one. Again guys, I'll put a link down below where you guys can check out both. I like the Thermacell. It has been helping in my backyard with mosquitoes. So I don't want to spend a ton of money on the liquid. Let's see, I think I have my syringe locked here. Yep, take that off. There you go. First time I did it, the reason I got it on my hands was because I tried to use a little funnel like this. And it kind of just goes everywhere. There's not really a small enough funnel to pour it in there. Let's see how much. This will be the first time I've done it with this syringe. And then we'll just put it in here. Probably could use a little bit more. And I think you can get a syringe. I don't know if you can get needles, but you might be able to get like an angiocath or something that fits on the end of one. Like a Walgreens maybe. I'm in the medical field, so I just borrowed one here. And let's see if we can get a little bit more in there. Alright, this should be pretty good. So this is the second time I've used this vial here. Looks like I maybe have enough for a third, so you probably get 2 or 3 or 1.5 fills off of one of these. And, for a 2-pack, $15, let's say you average, $7 or $8 for one of these to get 3 refills versus $21 for just one. So $60 you would be spending if you bought 3 of these versus one of these for $8. It's pretty good savings. Let's go ahead and put our wick back in. And again, eventually this wick may wear out or something, but right now it's been working pretty well the first time I've done it. This is my second time doing it. That wick seems pretty robust, so I don't think it'll wear out. Again guys, I'm going to put a link down below where you can check this stuff out. I think it works just as good as the stuff that comes in the refills. I highly recommend checking it out, guys. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll catch y'all next time.